Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, August 15th. It's 2:20 in the afternoon, 2:20 Eastern Time, and you can see my computer clock on my right, and on my left is the time in sales, the Emini S&P currently trading at 2808.50. Now, I didn't make a video yesterday due to other commitments. Performance was decent. First up is the Russell on a 233 Heikin-Ashi. I'm showing this because we're in an open position. We have a closed P&L of 390 and an open P&L of about 690 or 700 right now. We had a loser here, drew down about 100 per contract. Obviously did not get filled on our limit order on this leg here or these subsequent legs. And we have two nice trades here that are giving us a decent profit for the day so far. So very nicely placed trades here. We're short from this level here, which is about 1674.20. Okay, another open position on the Russell 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart. And I went higher in time frame, so this is the first time I'm showing this chart. And again, did not get filled here, but this was at about 7 a.m., so this didn't start trading until after that. So this also has this long and short here, and so we have a closed P&L of 400 and an open P&L of about 300. Okay, the Russell on a 377 Heikin-Ashi chart looks very similar to the trades on the 233, and this has a closed P&L of 75 and an open P&L of 640. So these are all look like they're going to turn in a pretty solid performance today. Okay, this is an interesting setup. The NASDAQ on an 8 Renko chart. This was moderately active today, quite a few trades here, and there was a drawdown here. It looks like about 250 per contract, but mostly up. Most of the trades are winners, as you can see the equity curve here. But this is just a regular Renko chart, and I've often said there's a lot of potential there. This is using a higher time frame filter of a 10 Renko. Okay, the Emini S&P on a regular 5 Renko chart has been a really good performer for us. This was moderately active today, and in spite of a drawdown of about 500 per contract, this is trading 3 contracts. It came back and I believe hit its goal of 1125. No, the goal on this is 1750. It's quite high, but in any case, it made a really solid comeback with 4 winners in a row, and you can see it just went short. We have a limit order at the close of the bar minus a tick, and it looks like we got filled right here. And here are profit goals and so forth. Anyway, the 5 Renko is done quite well. We'll see if if the market continues to head lower or not. It's too early to tell. Okay, the Emini S&P on a regular 5-minute chart had 2 trades. This trade here, and then a very small winner put it up to its goal of 1500. So this chart is done quite well. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 987 Heikin-Ashi tick chart. Nice looking signals on the indicators, and this trade was taken here, and it did 1025. Our goal on this is 1000, so we had a couple ticks positive slippage, and that was very early in the session. Okay, the crude oil on the Precision Renko 8150, again hitting its goal of $1,000. This has been super consistent since I started showing it again. So out of the last 7 or 8 days, it's showing on the plus side, hitting its goal most of those days. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 2 tick with a Super Renko 4 tick as a higher time frame hit its goal of 750. Okay, the Emini S&P on a 1597 Heikin Ashi chart had two trades here. This is trading 3 contracts, and this did 1300. The goal on this is 1300, so it hit its goal with no slippage on 2 trades early in the session. Trading was done within 30 minutes. Really fantastic indicator signal, going short all the way up here at 2840, and finally getting a blue bar at 2810. That's 30 points on this run here. Okay, the Emini S&P on a 987 Heikin Ashi tick chart had 3 winners and hit its goal of 1,000, I believe, with no slippage. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 5-minute chart had a single trade here and prematurely stopped out, so it only did 610, but really nice signals on the indicators once again. The Emini S&P on a Super Renko 6 tick did almost $500. This one's trading only 2 contracts, and it was moderately active today. It drew down about $400 per contract early in the session, and then came back to finish on the positive side. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick drew down about $400 and then also came back to 325 at this juncture. There's still some time in trading, so these strategies might trade again. Okay, so I wanted to come back to the Russell. This on the 377 closed its position at the low of the swing here, or so it appears. So quite an excellent entry here. I'm imagining that this hit its goal of 1,000. No, the goal on this is 2,000. So it didn't hit its goal. It just had a great exit right here. And so the closed P&L on this is 925. I think this actually exited because of time. It did. It exited because of time at 2:30, right here. The Russell on the 1597 is still short with a closed P&L of 600.